Hello friend, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to edit text in Photoshop. Here is two layers, lower is background and upper one is a text layer. To edit the text layer, first select the text layer. Now select text you want to edit. From here we can change font size. Click outside of the text and drag to position it. Make a line from here. Change font style from here. Here we can change text color. But if I want to edit advanced, then double click on right side of the text layer. From here we can make texture the text, we can give stroke, we can give shadow and many more. Double click on stroke to customize stroke. See all the options carefully to understand better. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.